Hi, I'm Jason. If you run a marketing agency, relying entirely on referral can make your client pipeline quite unpredictable. Apollo.io allows you to search for companies matching your ideal client. You'll be able to find decision makers inside those companies and access their business contact information. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Apollo.io to find market agency clients. We'll identify the companies that are more likely to afford your services, then find their marketing decision makers, organize those qualified prospects, and you can also create personalized outreach message. Keep in mind that Apollo cannot guarantee that someone will become a client. The goal of this video is to help you find better qualified companies instead of sending generic messages to random businesses. I've included my Apollo.io affiliate link in the pinned comment and description. You can use it to create an account, and I may earn a small commission if you were to upgrade and go onto the paid plan. Now let's get started. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to Apollo's homepage. From here, you'll be able to create an account for completely free. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And before filling in information, have you defined your agency offer? So for this example, I'll be acting as a lead generation agency, offering landing pages and LinkedIn advertising to B2B software companies. So you can see right there, instead of saying I provide digital marketing services, instead my offer will be we help B2B software companies generate more qualified demo requests using LinkedIn advertising and conversion focused landing pages. This tells the prospect who the service is for, what we provide, and the business result we are trying to produce. You can adapt the process to your agency. For instance, you could say we help dental practices generate more implant consultations using Google Ads, or you could say we help accounting firms attract business clients through SEO and content marketing. There are numerous ways how you can get more specific, but the thing that I would recommend is the more specific your offer is, the easier it becomes to build an accurate Apollo search. After you have done that, you want to define your ideal client. For this campaign, I'm looking for B2B software companies with 11 to 200 employees located either in United States or Canada, and I want to contact the heads of marketing, marketing directors, vice presidents of marketing, or chief marketing officers. The reason why I'm choosing companies with at least 11 employees is because they're more likely to have an established product, sales process, and marketing budget. I'm avoiding very large enterprise companies because they may have an internal advertising department and a lengthy process for hiring an outside agency. Your ideal company size will depend on your service and pricing. So if your agency offers, for example, a $500 per month social media package, you could target smaller businesses. Once you have that intact, what I want you to do now is start your search. So you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on companies. After you have selected companies, from there you can see Apollo provides you with numerous filters. So I'm just going to clear this recent search that I was doing. After you have done that, the first thing I want you to do is you're going to be selecting industry. So you're going to tap right where you see industry and keywords. And because I'm targeting B2B software companies, I'll select relevant categories such as computer software and information technology and services. So I'm just going to tap right here and I'm going to type in computer and I'm going to select computer software. Then I'm just going to be typing in information right here and I'm going to select information technologies and services. The next thing I want to do is filter the company size. So to do that, you're going to select right where you see number of employees. So for this example, I'm going to be selecting, for example, 11 to 20. Then I'm going to select 21 to 50 and 51 to 100, and we're going to be selecting 100 to 200. These companies are large enough to potentially have a marketing budget, but small enough that an outside agency could still be valuable. After you have done that, you want to choose the company location. So you're going to tap right where you see account location. And for this example, I'm going to be targeting companies in the United States and also Canada. So let me type in Canada real quick. I'm going to select Canada right here. You could get more specific and you could search by state. You can search by zip code or so on. Another thing that you could also do, you could use the optional budget and growth signals if you want. If you're on the paid plan, you could use that. And you can see that there are numerous other filters that you could choose from. You have buying intent, you have AI filters, you have revenue, you have job posting. You have numerous options that you can select right here. And you can also access additional filters by selecting view 30 plus filters. And from there you'll be able to see different filters that you can also apply when it comes onto Apollo.io. After you have done that, what I want you to do, instead of just selecting all of these companies, we're going to be filtering them. So what I recommend you do is you're going to select the company. After you have selected the company, from there you can go onto their website and you could browse it and see if it is to your liking, and you can from there you'll be able to, for example, see the products and services that they offer. You can also read the company description, the targeted audience, and so on. So you want to do that to determine whether the company has a product people are actively purchasing and whether our agency could realistically help them. Once the search is to your liking, the next thing you are going to do after you have qualified the company, you're going to add them to a list. So you can tap on add to list. Once you have selected add to list, you can create your list by simply filling in the name. So for example, marketing clients, and we're just going to tap on add to list right there. After you have selected add to list, we could go back to our companies list, and then you can filter through and you can select different companies that match the service that you offer. You can simply select the companies. Once you have selected the companies, the next thing you want to do from the qualified companies, you want to find the decision makers. To do this, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select lists. Then you're going to tap on the list name, for example, marketing clients. Then we're just going to be selecting the companies that we have added. After you have selected the companies that you have added, what you're going to do next, you're going to tap right where you see people. Once you have selected people, from here you can filter them. Now the next thing you want to do is find the decision makers inside those companies. So all you need to do is tap right where you see people. Once you have done that, you could filter. For example, you could tap right here and you could type in head of marketing, director of marketing, or some of the time by simply scrolling down you'll see them. So for example, you can see sales and marketing manager. You can simply tap right there on that particular individual. After you have done that, you can see access email, and with Apollo.io you'll be able to access that email. So you can simply tap on it and you'll be able to access it. Or you can tap right here on access email and you can see that it will use 1 credit, and you'll be able to find verified business email addresses. So once you have found a verified business address, you can tap on add to list, and we're going to be creating a second list. So for example's sake, let's say we were to call our list SaaS marketing decision makers, and just like that you have added the person to the list, and you're just going to continue searching, and from there you can select different persons and you'll be able to add the qualified persons to from there you can continue filtering the different companies and you'll be able to add them to your list. Once you're finished doing that, the next thing you can do is you can either choose to export that list or you can use Apollo.io for outreach email. For example's sake, you can see our list right here, and if I were to select this list, now for example, let's say I were to select the list. By the way, after I've selected the list, you can see right here that the person has been added. So you can see right there, and you can also see that their verified email has been added. If you'd like to request the phone number, you could also request the phone number. After you have done that, you could simply select the name. Once you have done that, you could export the list if you want. So you could select export, or you could choose to create an outreach sequence by simply selecting sequence. You could tap on new sequence, and from there you could connect your email account, and then you can use Apollo.io for outreach. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.